info center, it was a food flask, but it could be any other object, a bowl, it could be in form of any other form of package. So which calls for being very vigilant, where if you observe any unusual activity or behavior, it is important to immediately alert the police. There were suspicions that there could be an IED that could have been planted at Mabito area. That is, it is a hub at Nateete Central B Zone. So as I was coming for this briefing, it is our K9 and bomb squad were trying to verify the package, but it appears to be a positive package. Then the other IED has been located at Peaceful Guest House in Ngoberu Namwaya. That is where we've managed to recover it, and plans are in place to have it detonated at the scene. And so this, like I said, this brings the numbers of IEDs now recovered and detonated to 6. For now, the threat is about these terrorists with the IEDs entering premises, facilities, locations, placing their IEDs, and then eventually discharging or detonating them from a safe point using a remote control. So we call upon anybody with information regarding these bomb threats to call our National Operations Command Center. Like always, we've given the contacts as 077 699 136. We've also given 0707 600 773 or toll-free number 0800 199 699.